Yes, good afternoon, everyone. So, the snowfall is slowly coming down. This is in York region, South Toronto. It started about maybe 15 minutes ago, but this one is accumulative and going nowhere. Will be staying for a good while. So I'm inside of a Tim Hortons, watching what's happening. In this kind of weather, especially with driving, you have to be so cautious because the car tires they skid. So you have to pay special attention and you have to be skillful driving in this type of weather. You can't drive too close to people because sometimes they make a sudden stop, and then if you're too close and you have to make a sudden stop as well, you know what's going to happen. You're going to run right into the back of the individual in front of you. What does that mean? It means that it's your fault. So always be cautious driving.